Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Pottery Wheel Kit is probably one of the most exciting and creative ways for children to explore their artistic talents, offering a hands-on experience that transforms simple clay into unique masterpieces right at home, fostering imagination and fine motor skills development while providing hours of engaging fun. Number 5. National Geographic Kids Pottery Wheel Kit. Discover the joy of creating your own pottery with this all-inclusive kit. It comes with everything you need to get started, right out of the box. Designed for beginners, this wheel features integrated arm tools that make centering, opening, and shaping clay simple. It's perfect for both right and left-handed users. The electric motor provides consistent power and rotation, even with pressure. Choose between 2 speeds to match different stages of your pottery project. Easy-to-follow instructions, including video lessons and a learning guide, will help you master the basics. You'll even learn about the history and science behind pottery. From an award-winning toy developer, this kit is designed to spark imagination and creativity. Plus, you'll have a dedicated support team to ensure a great experience. What we like? This kit is perfect for absolute beginners, especially those who might struggle with centering clay. The integrated arm tools provide excellent assistance for both right and left-handed users, making the process much more intuitive. If you're looking for a kit that simplifies the early stages of pottery making and builds confidence, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. This is a great starter pottery wheel for kids. It's easy to use and comes with everything you need to get started. My daughter loves this pottery wheel. She has spent hours creating her own masterpieces. The pottery wheel is well made and durable. It's perfect for little hands and encourages creativity. Number 4. Faber-Castell Pottery Studio. Discover the joy of pottery with this all-in-one kit. It's designed for young creators to shape, mold, and decorate their own unique designs. This complete set includes a kid-friendly pottery wheel, air-dry clay, paints, and tools. You can start creating masterpieces right out of the box. Follow simple instructions to learn shaping, sculpting, and decorating techniques. It makes learning pottery fun and achievable for beginners. From pinch pots to sculptures, create anything you imagine. Personalize your pieces with paint and proudly display your handmade art. Continue a tradition of quality art supplies with this studio. It offers premium materials and guided lessons to boost self-expression. Ideal for birthdays or just because, this kit sparks creativity and develops fine motor skills. It's a wonderful way to explore the world of pottery. What we like? This studio is designed for slightly older kids, ages 8 and up, who are ready to dive deeper into the pottery process. It includes a generous amount of clay and even a white glaze for a professional finish. If you want a comprehensive kit that encourages detailed design and offers a more complete artistic experience, this is the one to consider. What people say. This is a great beginner pottery wheel for kids and adults. It is easy to use and the motor is quiet. The kit comes with everything you need to get started, including clay, tools, and instructions. Number 3. Made by Me Pottery Wheel Kit. This kit comes with 2 pounds of air-dry clay. There's no need for baking, simply let your creations dry naturally for 24 to 48 hours. Experience the fun and ease of creating with its motorized power. You can control it using the foot pedal or the power switch. There's nothing quite like the power of play to fuel your creativity. This tool makes crafting an enjoyable experience. It operates using 4D batteries, providing portable power for your artistic endeavors. Get ready to unleash your creativity. Remember to protect your surroundings and clothing from any potential splatter before you begin. What we like? This option offers a great balance of fun and ease of use, powered by batteries for portability. The inclusion of a foot pedal adds an extra layer of control and engagement, mimicking a more professional setup. If you're looking for a fun, accessible, and portable pottery wheel that still provides a satisfying motorized experience, this kit is a great pick. What people say. The pottery wheel is a great starter kit for kids, with a good speed control that makes it easy to use. It comes with all the necessary tools and clay, so you can start creating right away. The wheel is sturdy and well-made, providing a stable platform for pottery making. Number 2. Insnug Mini Kids Pottery Wheel Complete Painting Kit. Discover the joy of pottery with this all-in-one kit. It's designed for young creators to easily craft and paint their own unique clay masterpieces. This comprehensive set includes everything a beginner needs, from air-dry clay and vibrant paints to sculpting tools and decorating gems. You'll be ready to create in no time. Perfect for kids aged 8 to 12, this art set encourages artistic expression and imagination. Let your child design and decorate their pottery however they envision. This engaging toy helps develop fine motor skills and problem-solving abilities. It offers a wonderfully calming and rewarding creative experience. Designed with safety as the top priority, it's made from non-toxic materials, ensuring it's safe for little hands, even when wet. It makes a fantastic gift for aspiring young artists. We are committed to your satisfaction with 36 months of support and lifetime technical assistance. Start creating adorable pots today. What we like. This is a fantastic, compact option for younger artists or those with limited space. It comes with a wide array of decorating materials, including colorful gem stickers, to really let creativity shine. If you're looking for a fun, safe, and engaging pottery kit that emphasizes colorful decoration and artistic expression, this mini wheel is an excellent choice. What people say. This is a great starter kit for kids. It has everything you need to get started, and the instructions are easy to follow. My daughter loved this pottery wheel. She spent hours creating her own masterpieces. It's a fun and educational toy. The pottery wheel is well made and sturdy. It's also very easy to clean up, which is a big plus for parents. Number 1. Pottery Wheel 25cm 350W Electric Pottery Machine, Orange. Experience the joy of pottery with this beautifully designed machine. Its large 25 cm plate and vibrant orange finish add a touch of elegance to your creative space. Crafted with a compact structure and easy-to-clean ABS basin, this tool ensures a smooth and efficient pottery experience. It even comes with a set of shaping tools to get you started. Operate with confidence thanks to its advanced safety features, including earth leakage protection. The powerful yet quiet brushless motor provides stable rotation up to 300 revolutions per minute. Enjoy effortless control with both a handle and a foot pedal. You can easily switch the rotation direction to suit your preferred working style. Whether you're a student, a hobbyist, or a professional, this versatile ceramic machine is ideal for throwing and shaping. It's perfect for schools, pottery studios, and home use. What we like. This is a more serious piece of equipment, suitable for older kids or adults who are passionate about pottery. With its larger wheel size and powerful motor, it's designed for more ambitious projects and sustained use. If you or your child are looking for a robust, reliable pottery machine that can handle larger creations and offers professional-level control with its foot pedal, this is the machine for you. What people say. The pottery wheel is surprisingly quiet, which is great for not disturbing others. It's very easy to assemble and the instructions are clear. The kit includes enough clay to make several small projects, and the tools provided are good quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.